Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Uh, as you guys can tell, I'm gonna be unboxing another Love and Deepspace white box. Oh my gosh. So yeah. Uh, if you guys will also like to get the box, I will put down the seller's whatnot in the description. She goes live every Thursday. She goes live every Thursdays. Um, so just buy it on her lives. So yeah, let's get started, guys. Okay, let's go. Zane? I don't think we had so much of Zane the last box. Yeah, except for the rare card, I think, and then the promo. I don't think that's focused. That's a cute one. Good. Another Zane. Another one. Of course. Zane again. Zane. All Zane. Sorry for breathing too hard. Zane. Another Zane. Zane again. Another one. Wait, unless I showed this one already. I don't remember. Yeah. Another one. Damn. Zane. Oh, this one's a green color. Wait, what? Oh. This is a different one. This is from a different Love and Deepspace. My bad. Wrong card. Wrong card. I should have known that I am something. I was like, how did I get? How come the background or the back of the card is different? Interesting. Maybe they're new. I also had those too. Something's wrong with me, man. Okay, anyways, let's go, guys. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Caleb. Another Caleb. All Caleb. I was right. think that's Caleb again, right? Yeah. Yeah. Caleb again. Yeah. And a rare Caleb card. Boom. Oh. Oh. There's another Caleb card. Wow. I think that's a teddy bear he's holding. It's so cute. That teddy bear is so cute, man. Caleb. Another one. What? Damn. Caleb. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned that these are already open. Wait, what? I don't remember having this special pull of Caleb, but that's pretty cool. Yeah, these are already opened because the seller opened them to show my pulls. Caleb again. But yeah, I don't remember getting that super rare or super pull of Caleb. Is this Caleb again? Yeah. And then, who could this be? Who could this be, guys? I already know who it is, but y'all are probably just like, bro, we know who it is. Because of color, man. But you never know. Could be somebody else. I'm just kidding. Or is it? Just kidding. It's Silas. I'm just glad I got Silas, man. I feel so bad for Zane that my number one now is Silas now. But it's okay. It's bound to change, because there are some people who their number one changes, so it's bound to happen. And my promo, are you guys ready? You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. It's Silas. If this can focus. But yeah. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I pulled Silas. First I got Zane's and with his maid outfit, and now Silas. Damn. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys next time. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, please. So yeah, bye bye.